Hi guys, you're warmly welcome to new episode in Mom's Buffet Food Review channel. Today I'm going to present Sri Lankan type local healthy dinner meal.
Aren't you subscribe channel? Subscribe and press bell icon. I also in channel Facebook and Instagram pages. Let's go to video.
Good night, guys. You are warmly welcome to again Mass Buffet Food Review channel. Today I going to present my daily dinner meal. Usually I eat to my dinner is rice and curry, but today I going to eat some simple food. It is roti with Polos Curry. I think it is familiar meal to you because I upload few video about meal with Polos Curry. And to subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon. And also I have in my Mouse Buffet Facebook and Instagram pages. Then you can follow these pages to get more information about my food reviews. Okay, let's go to today dinner review session. Okay guys, now you can see today dinner meal. In one plate you can see it is a roti, or Sinhala mean is Pol Rotie. Another plate have a Polos Curry. It is appearance is good and delicious, and it is look like rural Sri Lankan local rural usual Polos Curry. Okay, let's talk about roti. When to prepare roti, we use wheat flour, coconut, grain coconut, water, and salt. These ingredients are mixed well, and we then after we prepare roti like this structure, and these are fried using fire burner and sauce and pan. This is Polos Curry. When to consider Polos, it is immature state in jackfruit. This okay. I think you know about how to prepare, and it is a few complex process to explain. Okay, let's talk about taste of roti. It is taste is like wheat flour food taste, and we feel coconut parts taste. Okay, let's talk about taste in Polos Curry. It contain spice, local authentic spicy taste, and also it is too spicy than other normal Sri Lankan curry, because several two spices spice used to prepare this curry. Okay, let's talk about nutritional value. Mainly, this roti contain. Okay, let's talk about nutritional value. In roti, mainly it contain wheat flour. Wheat flour is a polysaccharide. Then polysaccharide is a carbohydrate. That carbohydrate are need to produce energy from cellular respiration in our body. And also, when to prepare roti, we use coconut. Coconut have good fats. That fats are good for keep good health in our body and not harm to our heart. In contain fats in coconut. These fats are good fats. Okay, let's talk about nutritional value in Polos curry. Polos is a natural and more organic than many valuable natural nutritional substances, and it also contain more amount of protein and vitamin, minerals, and plant fibers contain these nutritional. In Polos curry contain nutritional are more valuable to keep good health in our body. When to prepare this Polos curry, we use coconut milk. Coconut milk contain good fats. That fats are not harmful to our health of our body, and it is a good. Okay. Okay, guys, I think you enjoy my dinner short food review video. I wish to meet again my new breakfast food review as soon as, and I hope to bring you new experience about food review as soon as it is coming soon. I tell you, please wait and stay our channel, and I plan to bring new style video next time. After watching today my episode, don't forget like, share and comment video. Okay, goodbye and have a nice day.
I am truly grateful to my fan base for joining my YouTube channel.